Assalamu alaikum viewers. Today I will discuss this important question, equation of the line. The different type of equation. The first case is equation of a line passing through point and slope. It means this first case in which point and slope is given. So according to this given values, equation point slope form. The first case, point slope form, in which this is a point and this is a slope. The point is minus 6.5 and slope is 7. Okay. So according to this given data, the form is y2 minus y equal m. M is the symbol for slope and x2 minus x. y2 minus y1, yx2 minus x1, you also can write this. Here y1, x1, you also can y1, y dash, anything. X and y, these are a variable, and y2, x2 means these values. The value, put the values from this point. 7 is a slope. x2 means this one, minus 6. From this point, and y2 means 5 minus y. Okay, this is the 5 from here, and this is the x minus 6. So according to this, multiply the 7 with this bracket, open the bracket, 5 minus y minus 7 6 are 42 minus 7x. So the all data move in first form, 7x minus 7x, it becomes a plus 7x minus y, 5 it becomes a minus 5 minus 47, 7x minus y. So this is our required line. This is our required equation of a line. This is a straight line. You also can write in form 7x minus y plus 47 equals 0. Okay, this one. Both are correct. So this is the very simple question, point and slope. This is the formula, y2 minus y1 and m yx2 minus x1. y1 x1 means variables, x and y, and x2 y2 means this one. This is the x2, this is the y2. Okay, so I hope so you understand this form of equation. If you like this lecture, so please like it and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.